Was machen wir hier jetzt?
Hello! Welcome back again to our vlog, guys! For those who are new to my channel, this is Marilou and
Oli!
So, we are Pinay and
Yes, I'm
German.
Pinay and that is a German girl, yes.
Yes. So today, we're gonna make our... What we wanna make now?
What is the name from this?
We're gonna make a Kartoffel salad that is a Deutsch German food in Philippines, or of English we call it potato salad. So my husband likes to cook this, and he can good cook this potato salad. So now I have here my beautiful husband.
Yeah, a very, very, very beautiful husband.
Yes. And this husband can cook very well, very good. And he's making now, first he have cooked this potato. Yes, you can see we have like 11 or 12 pieces of potato. He cooked it earlier, and then he will take out the skin already shelled. And then we have 5 eggs, and then 2 from this onions, and of course this paprika, the yellow paprika. And we have here the Miracle Whip. You bought Miracle Whip, honey?
No, honey, that is flying to us.
And then of course the very special ingredients when they make a potato salad is the Gewürzgurken. Yes. What is Gewürzgurken of English? This is pickled cucumber. Yeah, that's pickled cucumber. That's the very special ingredients when you make a potato salad, especially when in German version. And we have here something, I don't know yet. What's this?
I think that is cheese I will make also inside.
So cheese. Yeah, because Oli
Sometimes I make different. Not sometimes, every time I make it different. So this time I make inside some ham and Fleischwurst
Yes, it's a wurst.
and
It's
cheese also.
yeah. These are, I think these are the wurst that he have bought this morning. He's the one who make the Einkaufen this morning, because I don't go with him. Now,
This girl goes to her friend and his boyfriend. And that's a little bit tacky.
huy, not talkie.
Yes.
No, actually, I was working this morning. Now we continue to do this, and I have to help him. So why we gonna do this now, honey? Because tomorrow we gonna have a long way tomorrow. We will gonna drive to one of our friends in Vislar. That's around 2 hours drive from here. And then, yeah, that's why we cook now, and then we'll drive tomorrow early in the morning. And then we will bring this, and then we will eat this there. So one of our friends who is new, he's from the Philippines. He went to Philippines like for 6 months, and then he's just arrived around 2 weeks ago, and then we will visit him. And together with him is his Filipina girlfriend also.
He will marry this year, this girl, but not in Germany. He will marry it in.
Yeah,
Where you want to marry it?
they're planning to marry in
Belgium?
not in Belgium, in Denmark.
Denmark.
Yeah,
Why?
I don't know. I think they want to make it immediately, as soon as possible. That's why they apply it there, because in Denmark you can marry as soon as you can, as soon as possible as you can. Yes, that's why they register there for marriage. Maybe this year. Yeah.
Okay, the time is here. There is only 3 months here because
The visa.
the visa from the
Yes.
girl is only 3 months, and
Yeah.
so he must marry it in this time.
I will put
They
it
want.
here again.
Yeah,
also.
yeah, of course.
That's why. Ja, so it is manchmal. Ist nicht alles nicht einfach.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me.
Our potato salad is finished, and Oli is tasting it right now.
All of the times I've been there, times I
Uy.
can
Can you make it with
I
another
need
food?
you
Another
if it brought me closer to you.
another spoon.
Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic. These days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley. I hope it's losing its
Was willst du von mir?
You know the mother girls will love you like I do. Can afford to give up on you. And you know
And he is not satisfied with his potato salad. He still want to bake a cake. Now he's baking a
Cheesecake.
yeah. He wants to bake. He's making or baking now a cheesecake.
can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we
What you do there?
I'm making the ground of the cheesecake. I make it with my hand. Of course, earlier I wash my hand before I did this one. Normally, if I say you do it, because I say I don't like to get this. But my husband keep.
But you like to eat, huh?
Yeah, of course, a little.
You like to eat, huh?
A little bit. Only a little bit. So now it's not enough. I have to take this out a little bit. Oli likes to bake, Oli likes to cook, and he likes to eat.
Yes.
Yeah, maputi man itong mag-bake ng cake. So, the ground is already done. And then we make it like this, like that. And then we will put it here in the round,
Ja.
around.
Mal, das rollst du mal erstmal mit der Hand so ein bisschen weiter aus. So.
That's the way we
Mach mal erstmal so eine Wurst rundherum fertig, gucken, ob du damit auskommst.
Pag ganyan pang daw, lahat masakto siya. Ay, makapoy man itong magganito eh. It's a lot of work. And then, apat lang kami kakain nito, guys. We just...
Was ist das, Kaka?
And-
Das ist kein Kaka. Das ist a cake.
I said we're just all four person. We're gonna eat this one. My God, I said to Oli, don't bake a cake because we have a lot of.
Ah, then we take it with us home and we have two food for the next week. I don't have buy anything to cook.
So
So, makes ready there. I makes ready the cream just.
yeah, you make it.
Butter.
Quark, yogurt, Eier und Butter ist schon
und
gemischt.
Zucker und Mehl und-
Mehl.
Just the half we put in. It's enough.
No, only half from this, no?
A little bit vinegar.
And then we're gonna put some chili. Chili, honey?
Cherry, yeah.
Yeah, chilies.
So,
Gonna put this.
take it.
Give me a spoon. Spoon.
Little or big spoon.
We put this one, these are cherries, and then here we're gonna put it here. Isura aning way videography oy. Way mag-video. Sour Kirsche man das here in Germany. Sour Kirsche ang pangalan nito dito, guys. Ayan.
I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget
And the cheesecake is ready. We need to try the first slice. I'm cravings also. It's supposed to,
My wife
you're supposed to bring it
think
tomorrow.
she has no big tummy. No. She don't have big tummy. No. She has a very, very big tummy.
I only have a small one, yeah. Okay, I can't wait till tomorrow. No, I like to eat this. Das ist nicht so wirklich, ne? Nicht so weit.
Wunderbar.
So, liebe Leute, wir starten jetzt unser Weg nach
guys!
Wetzlar. We will start now our way to Wetzlar, guys. It
Yes, to Wetzlar.
takes us 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, when there's no traffic at all. So
Yes.
it's 2 hours, but when it's traffic, then it takes 3 hours.
We did it. We did it. Frank.
When the mouse don't know how to speak. We're gonna visit our friend, Frank.
Yes.
Because he's having now his girlfriend here in Germany. Yeah, that's what I said. What we said, they just arrived last 2 weeks ago.
Just we make barbecue.
They invited us to have a grill and party later. Yeah. For now, yeah, we keep driving. That's the highway here in Germany. As you can see, it's very nice highway, and there's no traffic. I like to drive it here, but no, I don't drive here. My husband do the driving here.
Yes. A very nice husband with a very sexy nose. Yes.
Yes, because we live only 3 stations away from the city, so I don't need a driver license. And street band here are very punctual, very on time. Sometimes delayed, sometimes not, but most of the days, most of the time, they are very on time. That's why I don't need to have a driver license.
We don't have here tricycle. Also, we have only train, street train, and buses. That is our transportation for person.
A way of transportation.
That is every time in time very, very good.
English na system.
Yes. Love my Schatzi Mausi.
Libi di siya kan tulilib. Red Cross. Dito kami sa Altina. That's the castle of Altina. It's the city of Altina. town. Altina town. In
Da unten haben wir
Germany.
schon mit dem Motorrad gestanden.
Ja, kenne ich dort. Vor 3 Jahren hier sind wir hier. Wir haben hier ein bisschen rumgelaufen und gesessen und ja, mit dem Motorrad gefahren. Ganze Sauerland. Schön, ne? Because it's green already here. Nice. It's very healthy to see the green leaves.
Wenn mal richtig Starkregen ist, dann spült der Bach alles weg.
Yeah.
Das ist also auch gefährlich.
It's nice to see like this. And under this, there's a fluss over there. I like to see
Full of water.
full of water there. I cannot make it. It's part of Germany. That is one of their grocery store, Edeka.
Wo ist Lunchtime?
When we arrive there, it's lunchtime.
Ach, das ist Lunchtime.
Yeah. What do you think? So guys, we travel already like 1.5 hours and I need a break. I need to go to Pilibax. Yes, we need to go to drive WC here. In Germany, you can stop when you want. You can stop when you want. Anywhere there's toilet. Here is the toilet here in the highway. Guys, wir sind da. Ich hab ganz großes Hunger.
Ja.
I'm hungry already. It's around 12 o'clock now, guys, because I don't eat breakfast. I only drink my coffee. Only did have a good breakfast.
I ever had a good breakfast?
Yeah, I think so.
Nah.
Why not? Because I don't
Only
like...
1 kilo Fleischwurst and 10 breads and a little bit butter and a little bit jam. Not so good breakfast, no.
Because me, I don't like to eat in the early in the morning, no? So I don't like to eat. I only like to eat. I only like to drink coffee, but not to eat early in the morning. That's why I'm hungry. We're approaching. It's only 5 minutes to go. Then we are at the house of Gretchen and Frank. Nandito na kami sa bahay nila Gretchen. Yeah, kumain na kami, guys. We have eat already our lunch and now we're making a coffee. We're drinking coffee this afternoon because we have made this cheesecake. Ito yung ginawa namin kahapon. So, kanina nag-ano si Frank sa amin ng masarap na pagkain. And then now, magko-coffee kami. Gretchen is making the coffee. Yeah. Gano. Ang ganda ng bahay ng asawa ni Gretchen dito, guys. Dili ra ba ko tig inom anak ng klase nga coffee food kay
Das ist leider dadurch, dass er mich auf Philippinen angehört hatte, noch in der letzten Minute, wer 15 Jahresvertrag gekriegt, der noch
nice kayo ang flower ni Chris ni Kuan diri oh. Siya gumamila no pero dili siya gumamila day. This is not gumamila pero it looks like gumamila. I don't know. Yeah. Ang flower ay humot di kinid. Ang flower. Dili ni siya gumamila oy. Very nice. I like. Si Gretchen. She's a tourist here in Germany. Yeah, you have a tourist visa, right?
Yeah,
3 months. Yeah. Uyab siya ni Kuan. Magpakasal sila. They're processing their marriage visa here in Germany. And then every week she has this. She has flower. This is tulips. And then she has another flower here. And then she has apple. And of course, she has other fruits here. And another flower, another bunch of flowers she have here. And of course, chocolate. Pero may nakakaog chocolate diri dai. Yes. Lagi. And now we are also preparing for our grill. Kay mag-grill me there. Over there. They're preparing a grill. Magbabarbecue kami ngayon. It's around 5 o'clock here, guys. And ang ganda ng, it's nice view here. It's overlooking. Ayan, overlooking siya. That's a town of Aslar town. We was there already last year. It was like September, I think. Ang ganda ng lugar dito. Magtaka na to sila, asa na taday. Anitinga na to sila, asa naman tong duha ka babae. Yeah. We're gonna go downstairs na, guys, kay kakain na kami ng barbecue. So guys, we started our grill here. That's the grill meister. But unluckily we have not so nice weather today. We thought that this afternoon we have nice weather, but we have a little bit rain. That's why na-arrange na namin to. It has rain and then we pull out everything. Here is Frank!
In the rain.
In the rain! Barbecue in the rain! Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Hopefully. But the sun from there comes out, na. But here in this side, there's...
5 Konten oder eben philippinische Pesos-Konten. Wenn ich dann Geld über nichts. Das heißt, wenn du das
Hallo! Sag hallo, Claudia! This is Claudia, the sister of Frank.
Pesos
Younger
das ist
sister.
also was du von
Younger sister of Frank.
Dann hast du den Wechselkurs, den du im Moment
Ist das schön
eben
geworden?
hast.
Finde ich jetzt schön.
Du
Ja.
hast, glaube ich,
Ist ganz nett und
kommt die Summe
schön.
drauf an. Eben 2 Euro oder 4 Euro oder bei deinem Betrag
Claudia
übersetzt
bringt
wolltest,
hier
eben
leckeres
5
Salat.
Euro, was du bezahlen hast.
Du musst aber sagen, das Geld erstmal, das Euro musst du erstmal auf